Thinking about buying a new construction home in Mobile, Alabama? Do you want to stay ahead of the market trends before making a decision? Well, you're in the right place. I'm Asher Anderson, a realtor with Roberts Brothers Inc. here in Mobile, and today we're breaking down the latest market insights for October of 2024. Are new construction home prices rising or falling? How do they compare to the resale homes? And which new build neighborhoods are heating up? If you want to see all the brand new homes available today in Mobile, just hit the link in the description to explore. And if you have a home you're thinking about selling, check the second link for an instant home estimate so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this in the market update. First stat we're going to look at is the median sold price. So this is for the past month, September, since that's what we have all the data for. It's the beginning of October, but our data is from September. Over here at the bottom, the x-axis is going to be the year of September. So September of 2024, this past month, the median sold price for new construction homes was $308,900. Last September 2023, it was $310,900. So it's about $2,000 less. That's just marginally different. It comes out to 0.6% down. So really not a huge difference. But as you can see over the past decade, I mean, we went down in 2014 at the median price, then steadily since 2017 really have been increasing up, and now it's leveling out since 2022, 2024. Now let's look how that new construction median price stacks up to resale homes. So with this graph, the gold yellow color is going to be the resale median price, whereas the white is the new construction median price. So that's the number we just saw, the $308,900. The median for resale price homes, though, was $213,000. So quite a large gap between these two, which is, to be expected. New construction homes usually are going to run higher, almost always, than similarly sized and fitted resale homes. The difference here, though, new construction homes this past September sold for 45% more than resale homes. This isn't really that huge of a difference from 2023. So on this next graph, we're going to look at what the price per square foot is. Here we can again see the years of September. So this past month of September 2024, the average price per square foot for a new construction home was $161. This has been going up steadily since 2014, where it was $93 a square foot. You can see there's a trend line that would really go right here. Since 2022, though, these numbers, went down a little bit 2023, up a little bit 2024 of September. So relatively flatlining, staying about the same. It is up, though, 5% from last year. Now let's look at the new construction price per square foot versus the resale homes. So the gold is going to be our resale again. So we have $142 per square foot for resale homes this past September 2024. For new construction homes, that was $161 that we just looked at on the past slide. With this, you can see that the difference between a resale home and a new construction home, it's 13% more per square foot to buy a new construction home. Both of these prices over the last decade have been trending up since 2014, with the difference between the two staying between about $20 to $30 more, usually per square foot with each year. This next stat is the number of new construction home sales. So here we have the past month of September, there were 36 new construction home sales. This is down from September of 2023, where it was 51 sold homes, and this is quite a bit down. So the new construction sales actually dropped 42% from last September, though pre-COVID levels, so 2021 and earlier, or I guess 2020 and earlier, it was around the same amount, so varying between 25 and 33. We're still a little higher than pre-COVID new construction sales, but we are down substantially from last September. This next stat is the new construction market share. So what it's telling us is, based on all the homes that were sold in Mobile County, what percentage of them were new construction homes. Looking at this graph, last month, it was 12% of the homes that were sold were new builds. This is down a tad from last year, where it was 14%, so we are trending down. Compared to previous years, though, between 2014 and 2020, it really varied between 8 and 7%, so we are still higher than pre-COVID levels for the percentage of homes that are sold on the market being new construction. This likely has to do with new construction builders offering more incentives than resale homes can offer, especially as the interest rates have increased. A lot of new construction builders will offer incentives such as points buy downs or closing cost payments, and this allows the homes to be more accessible sometimes in the resale homes. So this could be why we're seeing such a large increase in the market share of new construction homes. If interest rates keep falling, that may end up changing and it might normalize more, but there is a shortage of homes across the US, so we'll likely continue to see higher amounts of new construction homes as they try to build up the inventory that is needed. So where are all these new construction homes being sold? Well, this next graph is going to show us which neighborhoods have the most new home sales in them. So looking at this graph, we can see Rossfield had 8 new home sales last month. Heritage Lake had 6. Dees Plantation had 3. These are the highest ones, Valor Ridge. So all of these Longleaf Gates are D.R. Horton neighborhoods. There are a couple of smaller ones like O'Fallon, it's Adams Homes, but most of the new construction homes in Mobile County are coming up from D.R. Horton. A couple of these, like this Pecan Grove one, was a singular spec home that was in that neighborhood. So you still can find some neighborhoods where it'll just be a singular spec home, but most of the new construction homes that are being sold are actually in a neighborhood of new construction homes. Let's take a look at the prices in these neighborhoods. So for each of these neighborhoods, we have the average sales price over here. We can see that the highest priced neighborhood was Dees Plantation at $449,000, almost $450,000 per home sale. And then the lowest one being Oakmont Place at around $226,000. All of these vary in between, but this shows you kind of what on average you can expect in these different neighborhoods. But again, what this graph does not tell us is what the price per square foot is, because just because a home is more expensive, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's proportionally that much larger. So this next graph is going to show us what the price per square foot is for these different neighborhoods. So often smaller homes will sell for a higher price per square foot than larger homes will. And this is because there are a lot of set costs in constructions. Like you have to pay crews to come out there. You have to pay permitting fees no matter what size home it is. They do change a little bit for the size, but a lot of fees are kind of fixed for getting crews out there and getting working, where when they're out there doing larger projects, it starts getting cheaper per square foot than when they're doing smaller projects. That can be seen clearly here where Oakmont Place, the average price per square foot was $187, where that was actually the neighborhood that was the cheapest homes. So it was $225,000 or $226,000 median sales price on this last graph, but the average price per square foot was one of the highest. Looking at the lowest price per square foot, Hamilton Ridge, going to the previous graph, is one of the highest price ones for the median sales price at $415,000. This home is around 3,000 square feet that sells for this price. So it can be seen that that actually equates to a much lower price per square foot than the smaller homes. Thanks for tuning into this new construction market update. I hope you found the insights helpful as you navigate the Mobile real estate market. If you're ready to take the next step, don't forget to check the links in the description, explore the latest new construction homes, or to get an instant estimate if you're thinking about selling. And if you have any questions or need personalized advice, feel free to drop a comment or reach out directly. I'm always happy to help. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest real estate trends in Mobile, especially the new construction space, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.